Hey everybody, I'm Andy Granger, the Director of Technology and Digital Innovation. I'd like to welcome you to the Michigan State University College of Nursing Granger Simulation Lab. Come on in, let's check it out. Our first stop right over here, the offices of our simulation dream team. We've got our lab manager, we've got our simulation educators, and we've got our simulation technician. Anytime students or faculty need support with their learning experiences, this is the place to be. Back here, we've got our storage. Mannequins, equipment, everything we need to keep this running like a real hospital. All right, check this out, our state-of-the-art immersive room. We've got 6 4K projectors for the walls, 2 for the floor, interactive touch walls, fans and aroma tanks, bringing in any kind of environment we want our students to experience, and this is the largest in North America of its kind. Further down the hall, we have one of our clinical education spaces. This is where students link up with their clinical groups and sharpen those skills. Now let me kick it over to my colleague, Anna.
Hey, I'm Anna, a simulation nurse educator here with the College of Nursing, and this is our skills lab. Here we've got mannequins, multiple beds for hands-on practice, and 2 training spaces. It's all about encouraging collaboration, practice, and improvement with faculty. So Andy showed you the immersive room behind me, but I want to show you this little room tucked away. And this is where we have our Pyxis medication station and our Sectra table. Our Sectra table allows students to study anatomy on a large touchscreen surface, and our Pyxis medication dispensing system allows students to learn the processes and protocols for retrieving patients' medications. Now follow me down the hall a minute. I want to walk you through one of our clinical spaces where our students regularly meet with their clinical faculty. This particular room often doubles as a pre-brief and debrief room for our clinical simulations. This is where important posts and discussions happen, and honestly where some of the best learning occurs. Now it's time for the best of the best, our high-fidelity sim space. In here we have a one-way viewing window and an audio system for faculty to see and hear everything that's going on while staying out of sight. On the other side of the observation room is our sim room. So in our sim rooms, we have realistic clinical setups. We have a hospital bed, we've got suction, we have oxygen, IV pull with fluid, PPE, gloves, and anything again that you would see in a hospital or clinical setting to give our students the most realistic experience possible. Now let me pass it on to Jennifer.
I'm Jen Feeney, the manager of the Granger Simulation Lab for the College of Nursing. This is where our CRNA students go to work. We can record everything so they can view it and improve their performance. Behind the scenes, this is mission control. We control everything from back here. The mannequins, the lights, everything that we need to do during the simulation happens here. Over here, we have another observation room, but this is for our labor and delivery suite. We have a workstation on wheels with the MAR and medical records in it. We have a birthing bed with high-fidelity mannequins that can give birth. We have an incubator to show how our babies are taken care of post-delivery. We have high-fidelity babies in a bassinet or a crib. It has all the equipment that any nursery or neonatal intensive care unit would use. Thank you for joining us on our tour of the Granger Simulation Lab at Michigan State University College of Nursing. Spartan nurses will